Hey, if you wonder how you can charge your POCO C65, there's only one way to do this, so we can only charge this phone wired by using the USB-C cable. And the USB-C cable and the charger is actually in the box, so when you open it, I'm gonna quickly show you how it looks. There we go. So from here you can actually find the USB-C cable, the charging brick, but you can also charge this phone without this original presets. So here I have the cable. Let me show you. That's the cable actually connected to my PC, and that's cable from my Google Pixel 7 Pro. And when I plug it right here, you can actually find information that the phone is charging. So it means that you don't have to use this original accessories from the box. And also when I'm not next to my PC, I'm using this old Huawei charger, the Huawei Quick Charge, and it's also working really good with my POCO C65. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.